Hey everybody, we're out here today at Homestead Creations. We're going to do a little work getting our pressure washer ready for summer use. It's been cooped up all winter, so we're here at Homestead Creations. There is our pressure washer that we're going to be getting ready to use. We're going to change the oil and get it ready to use on the house. Hey, here we are again. I'm going to change the oil right now. I'm using a 10 millimeter socket. You take this little bolt out right here and it lets all the oil out. And then you just refill it back here after you put the bolt back in. Okay, everybody. One good thing is once you get the oil drained out, and just a quick note, there is a drain plug on both sides, just so that you know, and you can fill it on both sides on these Craftsman power washers. So I just thought I'd show you that as well. But when you get ready to, when you get all your oil changed and drained out, put your bolt back in. Get you a funnel and pour you roughly about 18 ounces of oil into this spot right here. Okay, I also wanted to show you, you can go down here and get this Briggs & Stratton small engine oil. I've got, it's a SAE 30. And I got probably 48 ounces of engine oil here, but like I said, these only take about 18. So I know it calls for 20, but you don't really want to overfill these things. So I just thought I'd show you what I've got here. That way I can get a couple of oil changes out of one bottle. All right, once you get your oil poured into your drain hole here, bring it into your filling hole, you take your little cap, which has your dipstick on it, and you just screw it in here to be able to check to see how much oil you have. You just unscrew it back out, and there we have it. Not all the way up, about 3/4 of the way up the stick, and you're ready to go. So that is all there is to changing the oil in this Craftsman pressure washer. Next time I'll show you when we hook the water hose up to it and get her started and start using it. We'll also pour out the old gas and make sure that it's all ready to go with fresh gas. Thanks for watching.